Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Alright everyone, buckle up. Today we're diving into the Techno Trend Zone buzz around the Pixel Watch 4. Google's next-gen AI smartwatch looks poised to elevate the wearable game once again. Thanks to prolific leaker Evan Blass, we've been treated to a virtual backstage pass, promo renders, design secrets, health tech upgrades, and charging innovations are all in the spotlight. This glimpse at the future shows the wearable evolution heading into 2025. A premiere in sight, August 20th, 2025. Google is gearing up to unveil the Pixel Watch 4 at its much-anticipated Made by Google 2025 event on August 20th. The debut aligns with the arrival of the Pixel 10 lineup, reinforcing the Pixel ecosystem synergy. Some sources suggest retail availability might not kick off until September or even October, so the hype is undeniably building. Retained design, refined aesthetics from all leaked marketing visuals. The Watch 4 remains loyal to the sleek domed glass design that defined its predecessors, but with a crisp twist. Slimmer bezels make the screen feel more expansive, and modern case options include an elegant color palette: black, silver, gold, and moonstone, with varied finishes across sizes to match personal style. The overall shape remains familiar, but insiders expect a subtly thicker body, likely to house a higher capacity battery, while preserving the familiar, minimalist aesthetic. Screen brilliance, ultra-bright Actua 360 display. Pixel Watch 4 appears to adopt the supercharged Actua 360 display, boasting near 3000 nit peak brightness, a significant jump from the Pixel Watch 3's 2000 nit ceiling. This improved ultra-bright display promises enhanced outdoors readability and refined visuals in any lighting, size choices and battery endurance, fit for every wrist. Continuing the dual-size approach, the Pixel Watch 4 comes in both 41mm and 45mm variants. Battery life sees a notable upgrade: 41mm, approximately 30 hours with always-on display; active point 45mm, up to 40 hours under similar conditions. Faster charging is teased, a 25% speed boost, with early percentages charging in mere minutes. A charging revolution, side-mount dock perhaps the boldest shift. Google is swapping the old rear pogo pins for a side-mounted charging system. The watch rests sideways on a quick charge dock, enabling features like nightstand clock mode, and simplifying cable-free power dash-ups. By relocating charging components, Google has made the Pixel Watch 4 more reparable, modular, and easier to service. An important stride in device longevity. A performance edge, AI-ready with Gemini under the hood. The Pixel Watch 4 is speculated to run on the familiar Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chipset, supplemented by a new coprocessor to boost efficiency and support Gemini AI workloads. Gemini AI integration features front and center, including personalized assistants and AI-generated text suggestions that actually mimic your tone. Where OS 6 will tap into Gemini to make interactions feel human, expect AI perks like smart playlist creation, conversational responses, and context-sensitive prompts that deepen the health tech innovation angle. Advanced health and safety toolkit. The Pixel Watch 4 retains key features from its predecessor: ECG, SpO2, heart rate, breathing rate, and HRV monitoring. Android Central safety features include loss of pulse detection, a first in the series, and now new breathing emergency monitoring capabilities. Numerous health tech innovation boosters are expected: dual-frequency GPS for improved tracking during outdoor fitness. Satellite-based SOS messaging for remote area coverage, over 40 workout modes, custom running plans, and personal readiness feedback. These upgrades make the Pixel Watch 4 a compelling contender for fitness enthusiasts aiming for precision and versatility. Coverage and connectivity, LTE boosts. The LTE variant is rumored to include 2 years of free Google Fi wireless data, stream music, message, or navigate, data only. Voice calls require separate plans. 1 small step, or giant leap. What's clear, the Pixel Watch 4 isn't a sweeping overhaul, it's a refined, purposeful evolution. Think substantial enhancements across display, battery, AI, and tracking, rather than radical redesign. The improved ultra-bright screen, side charging convenience, dual GPS precision, Gemini AI integration, and battery life leap all position it strongly among smartwatches from Samsung and Apple. For existing Pixel Watch 3 owners, the decision may come down to whether these incremental but powerful upgrades are worth the switch. Those new to the line, especially with an eye on wearable AI and health tech, may find this refresh extremely compelling. Final notes Made by Google 2025 unfolds on August 20th. Mark your calendars, because this could be wearable watching at its finest. If you're looking for the next-gen fitness tracking, AI smart wearable, or a truly indispensable companion that blends health, style, and smarts, Pixel Watch 4 might be the answer.